Hello, I am Dr. Sankalp Mohan. Today, on the occasion of World MS Day, I would like to speak on multiple sclerosis. Now, what is multiple sclerosis? Multiple sclerosis is a demyelinating disease of the central nervous system where the outer covering of the nerve cells are damaged. What causes MS? The exact etiology of MS is unknown. However, there are certain genetic factors and MS is an autoimmune disease. There are certain risk factors for MS, like younger age, female sex, smoking. There have been certain relations to latitude and vitamin D deficiency. Certain infections like Epstein-Barr virus have also shown an association. What are the symptoms of multiple sclerosis? The symptoms of multiple sclerosis depends on the area of the brain or the spine involvement. The most common form of multiple sclerosis is the relapsing remitting form where we have multiple attacks. So depending on the area involved, we can have acute onset of vision loss, weakness, memory disturbances, numbness, constipation, depression, etc. How is MS diagnosed? MS is generally diagnosed on the basis of MRI of the brain and spine with clinical correlation and exclusion of other diagnoses. We may have to do other tests like lumbar puncture or CSF analysis and visual evoked potentials. How is MS treated? MS treatment can be divided into two parts. One is the treatment of the acute attack, where we give high dose intravenous steroids, and prevention of further relapses and disability, for which we give disease modifying agents. Now, the disease modifying agents for mild to moderate disease can be one of the following, like interferons, dimethyl fumarate, teriflunomide, etc. For highly active disease, we give natalizumab, alemtuzumab, or fingolimod. Now, what are the precautions to be taken for a patient of MS? So, patients of MS are supposed to avoid flare-ups. For this, it is important to take medicines regularly, avoid stress, avoid hot water bath or sauna bath, avoid infections. Lastly, I would like to speak on COVID-19 and MS. So far, multiple sclerosis does not directly increase the risk of COVID-19. However, certain patients of MS who are more than 60 years of age, having heart or lung conditions, mobility issues, comorbidities, are likely to develop more severe complications. Moreover, COVID-19, like any other infection, can exacerbate a flare up of MS. Hence, it is important to avoid infection, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you.